welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share all these Maybelline Superstay pink lipsticks sent to me, and then I'm going to show you a sneak peek of different shades on me, and also I'm going to be recreating one of Kylie Jenner's makeup looks, and then we will do a crash test of these lipsticks. So if you want to watch all this fun, please keep on watching. Okay, so all these lipsticks came in this really pretty pouch, and this is matching to my lips right now. I really love this color, and it has this tags telling all the properties of the lipstick. So for example, up to 16-hour wear, transfer proof. So I really love this pouch, and inside came all these lipsticks. So I got 11 shades of pink lipsticks, which is amazing. I got 7 pink shades from the Superstay Matte Ink collection and 4 shades from the Superstay Crayon collection. So I really love that Maybelline has come out with so many pink shades which will suit every skin tone. So if you are a pink lipstick lover, this should look like heaven to you, because there are so many shades to choose from, and you can choose as per your skin tone or your mood or as per your liking. So that's great. I personally love nude lipsticks, and this is the first time I'm actually loving pink lipsticks as well, and I would be really happy if I had every shade of nude with me. Like, that looks like a heaven to me. So I can totally understand if you're a pink lipstick lover, how this must really excite you. My mom loves pink lipsticks. Pink is the only shade of lipstick she wears, and I showed her the swatches of all these lipsticks and she loved all of them. So I'm definitely gonna give some of them to her. And now that I've got so many pink shades, I would really like to experiment with different looks. You can really take your makeup to the next level. So if you're wearing very plain basic makeup and neutral makeup just like I am, and if you put a bright pink lipstick, it just takes your makeup look to another level, which I love. So now that I've introduced you to these lipsticks, let's move on to the next part of this video. So now let's recreate Kylie Jenner's look. I have chosen this look. I think she wore this for one of her lipstick campaigns, and I love the lipstick color. Like, it's really standing out as it's really bright, and the rest of the makeup is kept pretty neutral. That's why the lipstick is standing out. She has a really nice brown smoky eye, so I'm just gonna try and do that. I love using this powder for doing this. Like, it just makes a huge difference, and I'm gonna let it stay for some time, and till then I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup. I've applied my usual lash primer. I'm gonna let it dry for some time because she has really nice lashes in that look. Now to the final part, which is gonna make a huge difference. I'm gonna use this lipstick, the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Pathfinder. This shade was the closest match to what she's wearing. That's why I chose this. I'm using the pointy edge to first slightly overline my lips only on the Cupid's bow. I love doing that, and the tip makes it really easy to do that, and also to line your lips. So this lipstick feels a bit tacky, and you're supposed to let it dry for at least 1 minute so that it's completely transfer proof. Now let's do a crash test, okay? I'm gonna eat this apple, and this lipstick should not transfer. This is the first time I'm trying this. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't transfer, because that's the point of this lipstick, right? So I've let it dry completely, and it's become kiss proof. It's not coming off. Time to eat the apple. Excuse my eating, but yeah, no lipstick transferred. This is going to be really useful for messy eaters like me. Now I'm gonna drink water, okay? And as you can see, no stain. So as you just saw, this does not budge at all unless you eat something super oily, because oil does remove makeup, right? But still, it's really difficult to actually make it come off. So if you're having a really long day and you don't really have time to touch up the lipstick, or you're not the kind of person who would like to touch up lipstick, and you're gonna eat a lot throughout the day and meet a lot of people, I think this lipstick should be perfect for you. And it's super long lasting and transfer proof, as you just saw, and it does not budge at all, and it lasts up to 16 hours. That's what the lipstick claims to do. I haven't worn it for 16 hours, but I did swatch it on my hand. If you're following me on Instagram, you would know how powerful these are. I had posted a story saying these lipsticks are not a joke, and it stained my hands for like 3-4 days. But if you apply any oil based cleanser on your lips, it should come come off. On hands it's even more difficult to take it off. And this liquid lipstick can feel a bit heavy on your lips, so apply a very thin layer because it's super pigmented and a thin layer goes a long way. If you apply more than one layer, like 2-3 layers, it can feel a bit heavy and drying on your lips. So please prep your lips before applying, like moisturize. It will be even better if you moisturize your lips overnight so that in the morning you have nice plump and hydrated lips. And then this lipstick would glide on so smoothly and you wouldn't face any dryness as such. If you're still not comfortable with a liquid lipstick, I can understand not a lot of people like liquid lipsticks, but if you still want that longevity of a liquid lipstick, you should go for this crayon. This is not completely transfer proof. It does transfer a little bit, but it does not take off much pigment from your lips, so that's great and it's not a problem for me. So this Super Stick crayon is perfect for those people who don't want a liquid lipstick but still want a long lasting lipstick. This is great and doesn't even feel uncomfortable on your lips. Even you can take this Super Stay Pink challenge. So if you have any pink lipstick, you can recreate different looks with it, or you can even share the crash test just like I did. It's going to be super fun. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I'm gonna finish this apple now.